friends and viewers, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your IELTS trainer. These days I am uploading videos regarding the grammar rule and speaking, which you people are appreciating a lot and passing me the good compliments, which motivates me to make these kind of videos in the future with more efforts and with a lot of explanation. Today we are going to talk about the conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, which are used with one sentence and which there is not any kind of comma in these tenses. So let's start with the video. Today we are going to talk about the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those in which we use the same type of sentences and we do not use comma in between, like not only but also. We do not use the comma between these two tenses. Not only, after that we write the sentence whole or a word. After that we use but also, and we use the sentence whole or a word. Like whenever we are going to give the two properties of a material or two properties of electronic gadgets, at that time we can use this not only but also. Not only if we are going to talk about the characteristics of the person, at that time we can use this also. If two things are correlating with one another, at that time we can also use this sentence not only but also. This is used to connect balanced words or phrases. I have said earlier that whenever we have to give the words or phrases is mean of sentences, chunk of words, at that time we use the phrases in a sentence. At that time we use not only but also conjunction. And these must have parallel structures. Parallel structure is like that whenever we are going to use not only but also, we should use the same tense or same type of grammar. If we are using is liking, then we have to use but also reading, like this. And we also use this sentence in case of surprising and unexpected events, like whenever we have to give the two properties of a compound which other person is aware of, that at that time we use this not only but also. And this is used without comma. We do not separate these two sentences with the comma. We always use these in a single sentence. I am going to give some of the examples to you by which you will be able to understand this properly. First of all, we can use not only but also in the starting. Not only we can use in the starting, and we can use it in the center of the tense. Like first of all, not only I went to Delhi with my friends, मैं ਉੱਥੇ नहीं गई, सिर्फ मैं दिल्ली अपने फ्रेंड्स के नाल नहीं गई, बट ऑल्सो आई विजिटेड टू वर्थ सीइंग प्लेसेस. आई वेंट टू दिल्ली लिखा तां करके मैं लिखा आई विजिटेड टू वर्थ सीइंग प्लेसेस. Okay, this is a parallel structure. I have said earlier that parallel structures are where we use same kind of verbs or where we use same kind of grammar in both the not only but also. Proper or regular exercise not only improves general health of the person but also keeps a person away from stress and depression. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਯੂਜ਼, ਸੈਂਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਨਾਟ ਓਨਲੀ ਬਟ ਆਲਸੋ. ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਜਾਂ ਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀਜ਼ ਦੱਸੀਆਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟਸ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਦੱਸੇ. ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਡਰਾਬੈਕਸ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੀ ਸੀ. ਨਾਟ ਓਨਲੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਸ, ਵਰਬਸ ਫਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ, and keeps. Okay. After that, not only they will paint outside of the wall but also the inside. ना ही सिर्फ वो पेंट करनगे आउटसाइड बट ऑल्सो इनसाइड. विल मैं एक बार यूज़ किया, आप इदा भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, एक बार आप लगा दिता, जी भी हैल्पिंग वर्ब लगाने उस तो बाद सेम सेंटेंस कैरी ऑन कर सकते. दैन सुपरमार्केट्स डू नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइड प्लेजेंट shopping experiences but also people can have their meals in the food court. People अपने meals भी ले सकते हैं. My friend is not only beautiful, ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੁੰਦਰ ਨਹੀਂ but also she is intelligent too. My friend is ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ properties ਦੱਸੀਆਂ. I have used statement here of the present. After that, I do not only have good friends, ਮੇਰੇ good friends ਹੀ ਨੇਗੇ, but they also stand with me in hard days, in difficult times, in rainy days. ਇਹ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, not only but also, ਬਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਕਮਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਪੈਰਲਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ. ਦੋਨੋਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਰਬ ਦੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਸੇਮ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ, ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਾਈ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਲਾਈਕਸ ਟੂ ਲਿਸਨ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਬਟ ਆਲਸੋ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਬੁੱਕਸ. ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖੂਗੇ, ठीक है. My friend likes to listen music but also likes to read books. इदा ही अपने sentences सारे complete होंगे. In today's video you have learned regarding the conjunctions, that is not only but also. I think you have learned it effectively from the video, by which you will be able now to do or to write these kind of sentences in your IELTS writing, and also speak these kind of sentences in your speaking, by which you can impress your examiner, as you know that how to use these sentences. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share this with anyone else you think is going to give IELTS examination, with subscribing my channel and press the bell icon, by which you will be notified whenever I upload any kind of new video. Thanks for watching my videos and have a nice day, guys.